Chapter 7. The Great Slosh Water on the Move. Prepare for a truly mind-bending consequence of a stationary Earth, a radical redistribution of our planet's oceans. You might not realize it, but the Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Due to its rotation, it bulges slightly at the equator. In fact, the equator's diameter measures roughly 21.4 kilometers. That's about 13.30 miles, more than the diameter measured through the poles. This equatorial bulge didn't just happen overnight, it formed over billions of years as the Earth took shape and spun, a result of centrifugal force acting on its mass. The Earth's rotation has generated a persistent outward force, most pronounced at the equator, that has effectively moved solid matter and, crucially, vast amounts of water toward the planet's center line. This is why the water levels at the equator are, on average, up to 8 kilometers higher than they would be if there was no spin. It's like a subtle planet-wide swelling of the oceans around Earth's waist. Now imagine what happens if the Earth halts its spin. The centrifugal force that has maintained this equatorial water bulge for eons suddenly vanishes. With that force gone, gravity would take over completely, and water would begin to migrate away from the equator and towards the poles. The oceans would literally slosh towards the north and south, seeking a new equilibrium on a now non-rotating, more perfectly spherical Earth. The result? You could potentially walk around the equator without seeing much, if any, ocean water. The equatorial regions would become a vast, continuous band of land, a supercontinent girdling the Earth, separating two enormous polar oceans. Coastal cities would be submerged or left hundreds of miles inland, and the geography of our world would be redrawn in the most dramatic fashion imaginable.